step I'm finding a place I've never known. Let's go where no one has ever been, a world unseen beneath the skin.
Okay, let's be honest. Most of the aspirants waste their class 11th because they thought that in the class 12 there is a more STEM. And in other case, few people have unfortunately wasted their class 11th even they are serious because of some problems in the colleges or the lectures or the lack of backlogs in the basics. And now the physics feels like a monster, the vectors, mechanics, rotation motion, all haunting us. But wait, you can still master the physics if you have partially wasted the class 11 or completely wasted the 11th. So all the thing you need is the right strategy, not the panic and not the fear. So let's start this video without any delay. So let me give a small introduction about myself. Myself Sai Gupta, pursuing the first year of MBBS at the GMC Koppal. I'm making these videos to help you with my strategies because I too have been wasted the class 11 just like you and have been implemented lot of strategies in my 12th class, and I want to share with you all also. So let's start this. This video has been broken down into 5 parts. So the first part is accept and reset. So the first, accept that it's okay. Wasting class 11 doesn't mean that the physics career is over. It means now you know what not to do. Instead of crying over missed topics, use this energy for planning a comeback, because the toppers are not the one who has never failed, the one who have been stood up smarter. So simply what I mean is reset your mindset, not the dream. And there we come the part 2. Build a smart foundation. The class 12 starts where the class 11 ends. So before jumping into the class 12 topics like electrostatics and magnetism, give yourself a 15 to 20 days to master your basics. So to master this class 11 basics, you have to go with these core 5 concepts. Those are units and dimensions, kinematics, Newton's law, work, power, energy, and rotational motion. You don't just want it to be perfect with all the things. Just understand the laws, logic, and the formulas. Use short lectures. There are plenty of short lectures available in this network. Or if you want my personal recommended channels, just DM me. I'm going to send you personally in Instagram. And revise every single chapter every 2 to 3 days. Trust me, these 5 chapters are like a backbone for the physics. And there we come with the part 3, the most important part in mastering the physics. Start parallelly with the class 12 chapters. So before starting or going deep into this part, I have been recently said how to balance these 3 subjects, physics, chemistry and biology. So you can master this entire game of the NEET. Just check it out in the description. I'm going to provide the link. So once you clear with the class 11 basics, you have to start parallelly with the class 12 topics. So to master this part, you have to follow this simple routine. I'm providing this. So morning, revise the 11 core concepts. Afternoon or evening, learn new chapters of the class 12. Start with these class 12 chapters first. Those are electrostatics, current electricity, magnetic effects of electric current. These are scoring and connected with the class 11th mechanics. Don't chase perfection, chase the combined combination between these chapters. Practice, don't just watch. Here's where most of the people fail. They just watch the lectures. Practice the physics like a math. Practice number of questions, only solve the problems. After every topic, solve 30 to 40 questions from every chapter, from the PYQs, NCERT, coaching materials, HC Verma if possible. Mark the tougher ones and practice on the holidays or the Sunday weekends. And yeah, if you don't get the resources of the plenty of questions, just DM me, or you can even subscribe to our Telegram channel where we provide a number of quizzes every day. So we are also started already posting the chapter wise PYQs and chapter wise quizzes in the Telegram. So make sure check out in the description Telegram channel link. I got many DMs and the comments in the previous video regarding that we know all the formulas and the concepts, but we are still unable to solve the questions in the exams and we are unable to approach the questions. So, my dear friends, remember, physics is not about memory, it's about muscle memory. The more you solve the questions, the faster your brain connects formulas to real problems. So, it's a muscle memory. Train it harder for better performance. Here we come the part 5, simply weekly plan. So the Monday to Wednesday, one class 12 chapter plus one old class 11 chapter. And then Thursday to Friday, only practice problems. Saturday, full revision plus error logbooks. Sunday, mock test or the previous year question paper solvings. So by following this for the few months, you can literally master the physics and it no more scares you, it excites you. So yes, you may have wasted class 11, class 12, even if you're a dropper, it doesn't mean that your story has been ended. You still have a time to rewrite it because physics doesn't test your memory, test your patience and consistency. And if you stay consistent, one day you will look back and you would proudly say that you never quitted, you have been bounced back, and that's what real toppers do. So the conclusion words are reset, rebuild and rise. And at the end, I too wasted my class 11 but I don't want to waste my class 12 and used my many strategies. That's what I'm making this number of videos just to help you. Just check out my previous videos, that will lot motivates you. So make sure you have been subscribed to this channel and comment on your all the doubts. I'm going to reply it personally. You can just check it out my previous video how to balance the 3 subjects. Have been personally replied every comment and even I got a many DMs regarding the strategies and have been replied to everyone and gave a solution for them. So feel free to DM and the comment in this video section or in my Instagram account. And make sure you have been followed our Telegram channel, which we have been posting the chapter wise PYQs and the daily quizzes. A lot of things are invited to post in this channel. So make sure follow this. Thank you. Have a nice day.
A place I've never known. Let's go where no